Hello everyone. I am just enjoying the nature. As usual, I love to go and walk around the parks, pathways in the woods. It's beautiful. What I'm noticing here is, look at this plant. It looks like a hot dog. It's pretty interesting. It is raining a little bit. It is raining. Actually, it's starting to rain, but still we have our raincoat. We're just still enjoying this beautiful place. Qué bonito estas plantas. Estas parecen salchichas y muy interesante. Y está lloviendo. A mí me gusta siempre caminar. Muy bonito está este lugar. Sigamos caminando. And let's go. Oh my God, it's raining. Aquí. Yo creo que ahí podemos escondernos. Okay. Who's gonna clean it? Me! I'll clean it. I'm gonna just put my gloves. Okay. Entonces vamos a ponerlo aquí. We're gonna put it in here. I see some coffee cup right here. Probably just flew out from the trash. Y seguimos. All right, let's grab it. Whoa, tons of trash. Something, this one definitely shouldn't be here. I'm gonna put it in there. Whoa, here comes the trash. Okay, let's put it in here. Let's go. Aquí vamos a darle la vuelta. Aquí dice trash only, dice ahí. Vamos, seguimos. See, all those places looks nice already. Look at that river, looks beautiful. It's not dirty at all, nice and clean. Okay, let's keep going. It is getting late, so we have to run in order to clean. In case if we find some trash, we have our equipment. ¿Y ahora cómo nos subimos aquí? ¡Uy, mira! Se cayó el árbol. 1, 2, 3. ¡Uy! Muy bien. Ok, en sus marcas. Voy a saltarlo. Y... no me voy a... Oops. It's still raining. Uy, aquí veo una botella. So we're gonna put it in here. Squish it. Right here, another trash. You can grab it. Oh, it's a lid or something. Oh, I see a water bottle too. Wow, I can walk right here. Aleluya, mi Señor. Aleluya, mi Señor. Aleluya. Hosana en las alturas, hosana en las alturas. Bendito sea el Señor. Uy, ya estuvo. Muy bien, buen trabajo. Yay, thank you. See, we can even enjoy with my boys here. Let's keep going. Let's keep running. Oh, yeah. Okay, here comes another trash. Okay. Ooh, this is cool. Yay, I got it. Okay. 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 We need to tuck this in the trash can. Okay. Oh, I see it right there at trash. Oh, there's tons. Whoa. Okay. Everything looks nice. Okay, now our parks are nice and clean. All right, bye-bye. Great to see you. Stay well. Bye-bye. My blessings for you. Chao, chao. Bendiciones.